the sublayer modifier searches for any changes happening in the connected actors properties on remote control in the upcoming rundown item. In our case, we need to expose our text actors set text property. Click on the remote control icon. Now drag and drop this property into the controller section. I will rename it as title and I'm going to save this. Now we can add a sublayer modifier to our text with an individual change animation, so let's use a sublayer on this lower third. To keep it simple, I will only animate the opacity parameter of this text, but you can create more complex animations if you like. First, let's create the animation. I will add a new sequence right here and rename it as text changing. I will select my text, search for its opacity, and create the sequence with keyframes. Now I need to duplicate this sequence and rename it as text change out. And I need to reverse this animation. I'm creating two separate animations because the sublayer modifier requires change in and change out sequences. I will select my text, and to add a sublayer modifier or any modifier, we need to open the operator stack. If you can't find it here, you can open it from the motion design toolbar. Mine is already there. From add modifiers, I will add the transition logic sublayer modifier. Click on it, and you can see that it requires change in and change out separately. Let's add both sequences to the correct slots. I will save this. Lastly, let's check how this parameter affects the graphic. I scroll the graphic into my rundown. As you can see, I have my name text here. I will change it to the second one from here to here, and then I will take in the first one. Then I will take the next one, and you can see how the graphics behave. Let's add another one. I will call this one motion design. Also, the size of the blue background of the graphics adjusts itself when the text length changes due to the auto size modifier, not transition logic or the sublayer.